Good morning, everyone. What we have here is a kukri made out of a saw blade. It's a bit chilly out this morning, foggy. See the cows out there in the background. Anyway, it's fairly quick. Because it's made out of a saw blade, so it's a good steel. I've been testing it. As you can see, it does chop. Because I've got a bunch of broken wood around me by my feet. But I need to know, will it break? This is going to make me cringe a bit. But I need to know. I don't know. This is hardened oak. Before I do that, let me show you the balance on it. Before I do, let me show you the balance on this blade. There we go. So it's balanced left, right, front, and back. Yeah. Let's see if this thin blade breaks or not. There you go. So if you had to, you could split wood with it. And it will chop. I'm going to have a Christmas price going for it. It's only about half a dozen of these to be available. Not sure I want to do this again. We'll see the response to it, but it's a saw blade. My grandfather used to do a lot of wood chopping. And he would have liked a nice little brush. So I'm going to name this one after him. Damaso. And I had some bandsaw left over, so you'll get a little small knife. Made out of the same material. Thank you, everyone. Merry Christmas.